Temperature directly affects the active life of reagents and samples. Accurate and stable temperature control determines the performance of laboratory refrigerators. Esco Laboratory Refrigerators. Precise temperature control, safe and stable to protect your samples. Compact and space-efficient design with different capacity options, easily adapt to different laboratory needs. Large capacity models with double-door design and flexible partition storage. Equipped with powerful air cooling technology, ensures stable operation under wide environmental conditions. Excellent temperature uniformity. Multiple alarms and battery backup, together with dial lock system, further enforce sample protection in all situations. 10 years of traceable operating data log. Double-layer heated glass door to prevent condensation in most environment. Smooth inner chamber, easy to clean and stain resistant. Variable frequency compressor. CFC-free refrigerant and eco-friendly design. Esco Laboratory Refrigerators. Safely protect every sample.